So the first thing we're going to discuss today is PICO. And what does PICO stand for? Patient, Intervention, Comparison, and Outcome. So with patient, you're going to talk about what are the characteristics of your patient? What is the condition or disease about which you are concerned? Under interventions, you're going to discuss what do you want to do for this patient today? Do you want to treat them? You want to diagnose them? You want to observe? Under comparison, what is the alternative, if any, to the intervention? Placebo, different drugs, surgery? And then finally, outcomes. What do you hope to accomplish, measure, improve, or affect? What are the relevant outcomes? Morbidity, death, complications? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a question. Which imaging test is better in diagnosing appendicitis in adults, an ultrasound or a CT scan? So the first thing we've got to do with that question is break it down using PICO. So first thing we want to talk about is the patient and problem. And we want to just choose the main topics of that question. So of course, the main topic for a patient is going to be appendicitis. The intervention is going to be ultrasound, and CT scan is going to be your comparison. And your outcome is an accurate diagnosis. So now that we have our topic for each part of PICO, how do we search this within PubMed? And so the first thing that you want to do is you actually want to go to your MeSH database. And you want to search up each topic. So the first thing that we're going to search is appendicitis. Now, MeSH is going to give you a whole host of terms, and you're going to choose the one that best describes the topic and situation that you are researching. So typed in appendicitis, it immediately gave me appendicitis. So the first thing I'm going to do is click Add to Search Builder. As you can see on the right-hand side, you have a drop-down box with and or not. These are called Boolean operators. So basically, you're going to use these to include or exclude terms that you need in order to find the most accurate journals, articles, resources, case reports, clinical trials that are found within PubMed. After adding to Search Builder, appendicitis, we're now going to look up our second topic, which is ultrasound. There's many different things that you can choose here in order to pin down what's going to get you closest to what you're looking for. You can choose anything from interventional ultrasonography by clicking on the check mark. You can also click on diagnostic imaging as a check mark, as a subheading, and as a main topic. You're going to put a check mark by ultrasonography, and you are going to also add it to the search builder by using Boolean operators. And then our last topic that we're going to look for is the comparison, which is your CT scan. We're going to add that to search builder as well. So now you've got your patient / problem, your intervention, and your comparison. Now the outcome, we're going to leave that for last. You're now going to hit search PubMed, and what you're going to get is a list of 539 results. Now these results are going to vary between things that the library provides and the things that you may have to request via interlibrary loan. The best way to know that is to look at your access options. What are the article links? Is this something free? Does it already have a download link? These are really easy.